Hi there everyone, thanks for tuning in. Just thought I'd do a little bit of a boxing unveiling, or unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Now, as you all know that I am starting a new business in the next couple of weeks, shaping up the HD and HR dog legs. Now, as you all know, over there I've got the template for the sedan ones. I'm hoping to do a video up of actually shaping up the set this weekend. I've just got to try and free up more space on my phone. Now, I've gone along and I've found another panel. Now, there's a couple of guys, I think Brand Spares may possibly already do full length sills. Now, I found a new old stock one that was a 3-foot length one. So I thought to myself, well, that's good lengths because you don't need to always replace the whole entire sill. So I thought to myself, I'll see if I can get it. Well, this is it today. I did manage to get it. So what I'm going to be doing or looking at doing is making some 3-foot lengths up, same length as this one, and that. And these are normally pressed out to get the curve. If I can get the right tools or the right stuff to make the tools, then I'll be making these up. So, yeah mate, so that's it, that's the HR Sill, and yeah, stay tuned for updates. Yeah mate.